Hi, what's up? Today we are going to create this grunge text effect using just image texture. You can use it for your logo, your name, or as a texture for any object. I use it for my YouTube channel as a new background as you see. It's easy, you can use any image for this texture. Just download any image, any Grunge image and make it as texture. We will see all that in this tutorial. Before starting, please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up to make this video recommended by YouTube algorithm and help my channel to grow. So now let's get started. First, I select the cube and the light, hit X, delete. Now I go here and I add a text. Now I go here in properties of the text. Here in alignment, I make it in the center. RX19, I make it in the vertical. Now I go back here in object data properties and I go here in font. Here you can see a lot of font in Blender, but for me I use just this one. You can go here and select edit mode. And now hit any text or logo you want. Now go back here in object mode. I go here in geometry. I extrude it. Maybe I give it 0.5 and I give it some depth. As you can see, here it's sharper, but now we give it this nice look like this. Now right click, convert to mesh. But if I go here in wireframe, as you can see, the topology of this text is not good. So I go here in modifier properties. Here in generate, I select remesh. So I use sharp, disable this and enable smooth shading. Now increase this number. I give it just 8 like this. Apply this modifier. The topology now of this text is good. So I go back here, solid view, SZ, and make it bigger like this. Now SX, and I make it just like this. Okay, now I go here and I add a plane. Scale it like this. SY, and I scale it more. Now go here in edit mode and select edge mode. Now select this one, click here, not this one, this one. And now I extrude it in Z axis. Z up, just like this. Now select this one and I go here in bevel. Now catch this with left mouse and make it like this. Now here you see a little window, open it and increase the number. I give it maybe like this. Now go back to object mode, right click, shade smooth. Go here in shading. Now as you can see, we have this windows like this. This one, I change it to 3D viewport. Render view. I make it in a render view. Hit N and view and select here camera to view. Hit N to close this window. Now we can disable this and this and make it just, if you hit 0, we select the camera. So here too, hit N, view, camera to view. Now if I hit 0, now we can choose easily or angle. As you can see here, we have nothing because there is no light in render view. GZ down a little. We want GZ down. Okay, now S, select the plane SX and make it bigger like this, because we want to select this angle like this. Now go here in camera and here I decrease the focal just like this. Now with the middle mouse you can adjust your angle. Now for the light, I go here in world properties. Here you can use light here, point light like this, GZ, and go here and increase. Now we can see here in the render view we see the light, but I don't want this. I go here in world properties, here in color I select environment texture and I go here, I open in my computer the folder where I have the HDRI. So I select one of this. As you can see now, we have a light for this background and the text. If you want to download the HDRI, go here in Polyhaven, this one, in Polyhaven, and select HDRI. And here is a lot of HDRI. You can download any one and use it. Now I select the plane first. I decrease the roughness. I give it 0.1 like this. And I go here in specular and I make it in 1. Nothing the special. Now I select the text, hit new, and I go here in add. The shortcut is Shift A. I go here and I go in texture and I select image texture. Connect color to base color, and now here I open image, this grunge texture. So I use one of this, maybe. So I select this one. So I go here in edit, in preferences, in add-ons, and here I hit node. And I enable this one. And I save the preferences. Now I go back here, select this, Control T. As you can see, now we have texture, coordinate, and mapping. Leave it here in UV. Select your text and go to edit mode. Hit I. Select all the vertex and I go here in UV and I select project from view, just like this. Now go back to object mode. Now as you can see, we have this texture like this. So I go back here in the plane and I change the color. Just, you can make any color you want. Now I select this one, I make it metallic and I decrease the roughness a little, just a little. Maybe I change this image. So I go back here and I select this one. Okay, now I go back here and I change this HDRI. I go here in a render view. Okay, so here if you go here, we are in EV. I go here and I switch to cycles. Active a GPU if you have one. Now as you can see, now we have a better result in the final render, as you can see. Now we make some modification here to make the render faster. So here I give it just 32 and here I give it 512, like this. Here in the light pad, I go here and I select just fast global illumination. I active motion blur, and here in color management I make it like this, and here I give it very high contrast. As you can see, the text, we have some noise here. So I go back here in render properties and now active the noise. Now as you can see, we have a clear image. So I move it here, and now I select the plane SX, and I make it bigger like this. So I go here in Word, I change this. Maybe I select this one. We will see. Roughness. I make it like this. Now this plane, I go back to edit mode, and I select this one, and I extrude it in the axis more. Just like this. Go back to object mode. So play as you want with texture to give your logo or your text a good and unique look for you. So this tutorial is finished. I hope that you enjoy to make it with me. I tell you goodbye and see you soon.